But
You
so
got to
that
get to know the person. So ask them, what books do they like to read? What do they do in their spare time? Things that they'll trip that level of engagement. What would they like to see in a business? What do they want to see when they're 50 years old? Are they owning a business? Are they head of manufacturing? Are they head of engineering? Or no, I'm still the shipping and receiving guy. Asking those type of questions and really trying to get to know the person. If you don't know the person, you're not going to know the attitude, right? It's just going to be a 10 question checkbox interview, and it's going to be all about skill set. Well, where did you learn your welding skill? Okay, what did you do at this job?
how long have you been doing this? Where have you done
Yeah,
it? What have
yeah.
you welded on? Yeah.
The interviewing process has to radically change. I mean, I think everyone needs to rip up their old interview sheets and really get to know people, and that's critical. And not only from the attitude side, but in Connecticut being a higher cost state, we need problem solvers. Our workforce here is so good because they aren't coming in, swiping their card, clocking in, and arcing a torch and welding a tube assembly. They're coming in and they're working with a difficult part and they're solving complex problems.